SB19 spotted, now processing papers for their Simula at Wakas World Tour. Yes, spotted nga ang ating mahal lima, now processing their papers for their US visa application. Naghahanda na nga para sa kanilang Simula at Wakas World Tour concert.